Hi guys, this is Emran from YouTube. Today we are talking about that moon and the collision of meteors. And one thing we have additionally we see the one planet also planet farming information also. First we see the moon. Startingly the moon is how fit formed. Small approximately 450 crore years before there is a Mars sized planet is attacked the earth and it is also destroyed and the band spot of the that planet that means the planet Sia. Its approximate size is equal to Mars. Today Mars it attracted and collided with the earth and it also destroyed almost and also collided with the earth and the balance part of the Sia is converted into moon. Mostly 99.90 percentage, so 99.99 percentage same component. What is that? Oxygen, magnesium, silicon, and iron. They are also present in the same equal to the moon and the earth are same earth's material also in the moon. 45 percentage of the 45 percentage of the moon's mantle is oxygen. Maybe this is a reflection. Maybe it is a reason for reflection also. Every time, each and every time, moon was attacked by the several meteors in each and every hour. But we can see, we can see from Earth. It's a large big collision is present at December 19. It's a big collision compared to it is Ireland's Arc Observatory is clearly recorded, and NASA also trying to NASA also waiting for sunrise where it is closed because moon's dark side it is closed. NASA is waiting for the sunrises in the part to touch LHS. Lunar recognition Lunar Recognizer Observatory is waiting for the find out the crater, how long the dips, why it's we say why we want to find it and know the crater and meteor collision in the moon, because we are planning to the live in moon and make research in the moon. So there is we are planning to make a tent and instruments like research instruments also place without the effects of the collisions. How will we prevent this collision by attack the red materials, our materials? We are researching about the moon, and then we are next topic is IRAS. What is the name is 67077 and sorry the name is I don't know the perfect name. It's IRAS. That planets that star has a large clouds, planet forming clouds. It has a planet forming large disks. It is not. It's very rigorously in the place. This is a very interesting to our researchers to research it, because its length is approximately edge of the solar system, like distance of the solar system, approximately 10 times bigger than the star. It has a large air dust clouds, approximately 400 billion miles. Its length is. Mm, and then we we are thought it before their planet forming clouds are, we have a very fine and soft dust are present in there, but it's a very shocked to ours because it has a very rigorous situations un, un unlined presentation is that there is a lot of small meteorites and dust also, and some places are making very heat in that places are. This is very interesting to our researchers, and we are also trying to get a next step of research in this planet. Okay, goodbye. Today we is over. Bye bye. See you.